Which river doesn't form a delta? Tapti. Which is called Lake District of India? Nainital. Sirius, the brightest star outside the solar system, is also called Dog Star. Which Indian film won the first Oscar for Best Documentary Short Subject? The Elephant Whisperer. What is the largest continent in the world? Asia. What is the currency of China? Yuan. What is the currency of Australia? Australian dollar. Who was the director of the famous movie Home Alone? Chris Columbus. Huge deposit of uranium were recently founded in Andhra Pradesh. Who was associated to Chittagong Armory raid? Surya Sen. The tropical grassland is also called Savannah. When the Treaty of Basin signed? 1982. Ezra Cup is related to which sports? Polo. Sudirman Cup is related to which game? Badminton. Dhyan Chand Award is given to Lifetime Achievement in Sports and Game. Who was writer of the book God of Small Things? Arundhati Roy. Challengers Trophy is related to which sports? Cricket. Where the Hawa Mahal is located? Jaipur, Rajasthan. Where the Jantar Mantar is located? New Delhi. Universal donor of blood group O negative. Which part of the airplane helps to stabilize it during flight? Tailplane.